Organizations process large volumes of documents every day, and missing or incomplete information can lead to delays, errors, and inefficient workflows. Manually reviewing documents to identify missing values is time-consuming, repetitive, and prone to human error. As document volumes grow, maintaining accuracy becomes increasingly difficult. To address this challenge, Blackcoffer developed an automated solution that integrates Dropbox with Document AI to identify missing information and automatically generate structured sheets for further review and processing. Documents uploaded to Dropbox are automatically analyzed using AI-powered document processing. The system extracts key information, detects missing values, and generates a new structured sheet containing incomplete records, enabling teams to take immediate action. Key features include automated document processing, AI-powered data extraction, missing value detection, Dropbox integration, automatic sheet generation, streamlined review workflow. The solution reduces manual effort, improves data accuracy, accelerates document processing, and helps organizations manage large volumes of documents more efficiently.